What's up guys, welcome back to Borch Crypto, welcome to a brand new video. Today we are checking out BTCS, a publicly traded company, as you can see right here. And these guys are truly pioneers of the blockchain technology sector. They were the first publicly traded company to start mining Bitcoin back in 2014 and to offer digital asset treasury in 2017. So they faced significant challenges due to the volatility of the crypto market, and they still recovered. And right now they are focusing on Ethereum. As you can see right here, they hold almost 10,000 Ethereum and they are running 522 Ethereum validator nodes. So they are generating a lot of rewards in Ethereum. Right now the price of Ethereum is really cheap. As of my understanding, it is at 2.6k. After the Bybit hack, it seems that the price tanked a little bit, but it seems like it is not going to be having a huge impact as they have found a way to counter this liquidity crunch, and there is already fixed on the way. These guys are not able to just dump all the Ethereum straight away because Circle or Tether would block the assets. So this is resulting in a really bullish scenario for Ethereum. So this is good for this company, for BTCS. So let's get to know a bit more on this company. So BTCS is driving scalable growth through a diverse portfolio of blockchain-focused technological solutions anchored by their expertise in block building and validator node operations. They have a steadfast focus on innovation, and their strategy is to expand into high-impact business lines that complement and amplify their robust blockchain infrastructure, positioning them at the forefront of blockchain technology advancements. So pretty cool to see. So they shifted their focus from mining Bitcoin, as I mentioned before, into Ethereum. As you can see right here, a little bit of their history. They have always committed to innovation in blockchain. They were, as I mentioned, one of the first public US companies with a dedicated focus on blockchain, setting them apart from a lot of companies. They were really pioneers, and their primary objective is to fuel a scalable growth. A quick word from our sponsor today, Stoopid Cats. This is a project I have already reviewed in my channel. It is an amazing project, guys. They are combining play-to-earn games with casual games to appeal to all users, bridging Web3 and traditional gaming that everyone knows. Now, their play-to-earn games offer casino mechanics and puzzles for their crypto users, while the hyper-casual games, from tycoon to strategy games, they welcome all players into Stoopid Cats universe. So obviously there's different types of games that appeal to different users. Each game builds their brand across Web 2 and Web 3 with more titles in development. If you own a Stoopid Cat NFT, you get exclusive in-game benefits, boosted rewards, and access to special events. Whether it's casino thrills, strategic puzzles, or laid-back casual play, their growing ecosystem is designed to offer both fun and long-term value to their community. They have more than 100,000 players already. There's more than 2 games at launch, and there's 4 types of games. And 2025 is going to be a big year for Stoopid Cats. You can join the pre-sale and be part of the Stoopid world. It's definitely a project you guys should have in your radar. The Telegram bot is amazing. It's really entertaining. And again, 250,000 raised pre-seed, demonstrating institutional interest and strong investor confidence in this project. By the way, guys, it's the world's first NFT dividend system. So this means that the net proceeds are going to be split amongst NFT holders of the project. So this is an amazing feature of this project that you guys should know about. Here in the investor side, we can read a really cool PDF or presentation with a lot of information on the company. So here we can see a lot of text. Obviously, we're not going to be reading everything, but there's some pretty cool things right here. It's kind of like the white paper. So here we can see, as I mentioned, like the current goal is to drive scalable growth through blockchain-focused technology solutions. So they have different branches. Let's say here we can see node ops, validator node operations, and they play a critical role in this company. Of course, you can see that they are operating, as I mentioned before, a network of cloud-based validator nodes across proof of stake and delegated proof of stake blockchain networks. So these nodes are obviously the main consensus mechanisms for Ethereum, obviously, and many other chains. So they are running these nodes that basically generate rewards in real time. They are also doing block building, as you can see right here. They have branded them like this, Builder Plus, and they drive revenue by increasing block production and capitalizing on scalable maximum extractable value MEV opportunities via advanced algorithms. They prioritize transactions that maximize gas fees, enhancing revenue potential with every block. So say someone is able to pay a bribe or a higher gas fee to front run their transaction. These guys are going to make sure that the transaction runs through and that they get obviously that reward. So this is pretty cool to see. They have different branches, the nodes and this, and yeah, I mean, it just shows that they are really just focusing on the blockchain technology and just making sure that they can get the maximum return on their investments. So here we can see again, Ethereum focus. They are really really focused on Ethereum. And yeah, I mean, this chart is pretty bullish, to be honest. This is the Ethereum ecosystem daily active users since May 19 to May 24. So these are pretty crazy growth. Here we can see it starts off with 250k, around 250k, and in May 24 we got to an all-time high of more than 4 million. This, we're talking about daily active users. So this is really, really great to see, of course, and this is obviously a factor that also makes them focus on Ethereum. To be honest, lately Ethereum has been kind of sleeping, while other tokens have skyrocketed recently. Solana maybe, or we're talking about Sui, whatever. Ethereum has remained a little bit stagnant, and right now we are actually in a really, really good moment, because Ethereum is kind of the son or the smaller brother of Bitcoin. It's always going to be there. It's the first layer one, and it's just something that is bound to pump when Bitcoin pumps, which will happen, of course. So it's a good moment because it's really cheap, to be honest. Okay, so you guys already know about the proof of stake. If you don't, you can obviously read this document with much more attention and time. These are just some points that justify why they are focusing on Ethereum, because of course there's different factors that they consider when just investing and doing this, running this company like this, focusing on running nodes of Ethereum. The pretty cool thing is that they are a publicly traded company, so you are able to benefit from this revenue that they are generating via this Ethereum node running, and from the blockchain fees, as we've seen before here in the builder block building. It's pretty amazing to see. Here we can see, for example, a comparison of the business models of Ethereum and Bitcoin, and also a comparison between different companies, I think. So BTCS, you can see the gross profit margin is almost at 60%, while Riot and Mara are actually losing money. Some points on Bitcoin: high energy consumption, capital intensive hardware, established and crowded market, Bitcoin having led to material revenue declines. So there's different points here, and of course, obviously Bitcoin has its appeal. It's to be honest, digital gold. For running a company and running this staking operation, I think it's obvious that Ethereum is an interesting option, especially if you believe that it's going to appreciate in the future, which I definitely think it will be. So here we can see the revenue growth, and this chart is really bullish, guys. Here we can see the revenue of 2023 Q4, and 1 year later, the revenue is already at almost 800,000 from 300 in 2023 Q4, and the projections for 2024 Q4 are almost 2 million. So this is just insane, right? 177% prediction revenue growth year on year. So really good news. So here we can see the number of Ethereum holdings from 2023 Q4 again. We are right now sitting at almost 10K. So that's a really big increase. So here we can see a little bit of an explanation on the block building on Ethereum and the model on how they generate this revenue via the gas fees, of course. And again, here we can see a comparison for the vertical integration and scale matter. So guys, definitely a company I am interested in. Here we can see the team, and again, it's really cool to see that there is also publicly traded companies, and this is a different way of benefiting from blockchain technology, not just obviously by holding Ethereum or Bitcoin or whatever. These guys are doing a really cool operation. They're doing some advanced stuff. They're just doing again, like the block building. They are running the nodes on Ethereum. They're generating steady revenue, which is going to increase apart from the obvious appreciation of Ethereum. Really interesting project. BTCS, one of the first companies to be mining Bitcoin. Really cool plan for the future, guys. This is not financial advice, by the way. I want to make that clear. I'm just sharing this company. I think it's pretty cool to also share publicly traded companies on crypto and blockchain. It seems like a really original way of also, as I mentioned, benefiting from crypto and from blockchain. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next one.